Hello everyone, we are studying the important days of March in this video. These are the questions which you are asked in your GK section in almost every competitive examination. 1st of March, it is celebrated as Zero Discrimination Day. This day is to prevent discrimination based on, let's say, caste, creed, color, sex. UN celebrated this day for the first time on 1st of March in 2014. The date Zero Discrimination Day, इसका symbol एक butterfly से show करते हैं हम, like that shown in the picture. March 1st is also celebrated as the World Civil Defense Day. International Civil Defense Organization celebrated this day for the first time in 1990 on 1st of March. Then comes 3rd March. It is celebrated as the National Defense Day for India. Also, World Wildlife Day, International Labour Day, and World Hearing Day. World Hearing Day is to prevent hearing impairments and to promote awareness about the safety measures. For example, when you are bathing, make sure that the water do not enter your ears. The day prevents deafness. 4th of March, it is celebrated as the National Safety Day. It makes sure, or it makes people aware about the financial laws. It prevents such things, health problems, and all of those. Also, the day is observed as the World Day of the Fight Against Sexual Exploitation and the National Security Day. You can learn it from the picture given in the slide. 8th March, everybody is quite familiar with this date. It is the International Women's Day. International Women's Day का symbol purple color होता है. The color purple is for justice and dignity of the women. Also, there are a mixture of purple, white, and green. These three colors. White symbolizes purity, green symbolizes hope, and purple symbolizes justice and dignity. It is the color purple which symbolizes women internationally. 10th March, it is the Central Industrial Security Force. That means the CISF Raising Day. It was set up in 1969. I have a question for you. Where are the headquarters of CISF situated? To know the answer, you can join my Telegram channel. That is the channel where I provide all the answers for the questions I ask in my videos. The link of the Telegram channel is below in the description box. Do check it out. 12th of March is the Mauritius Day. This day commemorates two important events in Mauritius. Firstly, because the country got independence in 1968 from, obviously, Britishers. Mauritius got independence from Britishers in 1968. Secondly, the country had its own constitution and became a republic in 1992. So the day Mauritius Day on 12th of March, it symbolizes both these events. I will make a separate lecture for all the important days of the major countries of the world. World Rotaract Day. It is observed on 13th of March. 14th March. इसको याद करने का I have a trick for you. 14 and the value of pi is also 3.14. So you can relate it. World Pi Day will be on 14 as it has in its value 3.14. And it is the month March. 14th of March is celebrated as the World Pi Day. Also the International Day for Action on Rivers. It is to make people aware about the importance of river for the people and also about the importance of water. On the second Monday of March every year, the second Monday of March, we celebrate Commonwealth Day. And on the second Wednesday of March, we observe No Smoking Day to tell people about the hazardous effects of smoking and tobacco. On the second Thursday of March, we observe World Kidney Day. 15th of March, this is again a day with which we are quite familiar. It is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day. The consumers, the people are told them about their various rights. Also, the day is observed as World Disabled Day and also as World Contact Day. 16th of March, very important day. This is celebrated as National Vaccination or National Immunization Day. 16th March 1995. This was the date when for the first time the vaccine for polio was invented. So from that day onwards, from 1995, we celebrate 16th of March as National Vaccination Day. Again, I have a question for you. You have to tell me who is the scientist, who is the person who invented vaccine for polio. 18th March is celebrated as National Ordnance Factories Day. 20th March, it is the International Day of Happiness. By hearing this, I get reminded of a day called as National Laughter Day, which we have discussed in the video of January. Also, 20th March is celebrated as World Sparrow Day to make people aware and to prevent sparrows from getting extinct. Again, question time, guys. You have to tell me, when is the World Laughter Day celebrated? Which country calculates National Happiness Index? The answer of both these questions are in the video of January, but I will post the answers in the Telegram channel as well. 20th March, it is celebrated as World Oral Health Day. 21st, there are almost 5 days which are celebrated on 21st of March. Firstly, World Forestry Day. Second, International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. Third, World Poetry Day. Fourth, World Down Syndrome Day. And fifth, World Puppetry Day. Third Friday of March. It is the favorite day of most of the people. This is the day when we celebrate World Sleep Day. But it is not celebrated to tell people to sleep as much as they can. Instead, it is celebrated to tell people about the benefits of sleeping, of a better sleep and the sleep which is necessary and educate for us. For example, the sleep of around 7 to 8 hours and not more than that. So the World Sleep Day, it is celebrated on 3rd Friday of March. The motto or the logo of the day is better sleep, better life, better planet. 22nd of March, it is celebrated as World Water Day. I guess you already know what is the significance of the day. To tell people to conserve water, do not waste it, and save it for the future generations. March 23rd, it is celebrated as World Meteorological Day. Whenever you hear or read the word meteorological word is always related to weather and climate. So this day is also celebrated to tell people about the importance of climate and weather. Secondly, Pakistan Day. This is the day when Pakistan got its constitution and there was the Lahore Resolution. So Pakistan Day is also celebrated on 23rd of March, and World Meteorological Day is also celebrated on 23rd March. March 24, it is the World TB Day, tuberculosis. There was a scientist named Robert Koch. he told people that there is a bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes tuberculosis in people. This was invented in 1882. From that year, we always celebrate 24th March as World TB Day. It is to create awareness about tuberculosis and also to prevent the people from getting infected by this Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. The day is also celebrated as the International Day of Achievers. So if you have a friend who is quite intelligent in studies, then you can remember this day in relation with that friend. That 24th March is the day of International Day of Achievers. 25th March is observed as the International Day of Remembrance of the victims of slavery and transatlantic slave trade. 26th of March, it is the World Purple Day. 27th March, the World Theatre Day, World Drama Day, and it is also called World Theatre Day. These were the important days of the month of March. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and share it with the friends also. Also, the questions which I have asked you in the video, I will post the answer of each and every question in my Telegram channel. Secondly, I will also post some quizzes related to this video. For example, the days which we have learned in this video, I will post quizzes related to these. If you want to attempt these quizzes and make sure what have you learned by the video, join my Telegram channel. The link is below in the description box. Thank you. Bye-bye.